So this is how our application will look like at the end of this course. So this is a fully built e-commerce application which we built using Rails 7. Some of the features we implemented using Turbo Hotwire. So this is the normal customer point of view. So I've logged in as a customer. So you'll be able to view all the products and also add the items to the cart. And let's see, if he wants to add 4 more quantities, he can do that. And then if he wants to add this product, he can add. And then he can visit the cart and he can add the quantity or subtract the quantity. And this is done purely using the Turbo Hotwire. So let's increase the quantity. And if you look at the logs, as you can see, it's just starting a post request. And it's not doing a get request and refreshing the whole page. So it's entirely done using turbo frames. So okay, let me remove this. Item is removed, and also by using turbo hotwire we are able to update the address dynamically, and also we'll be able to check out. So the payment gateway which we are going to be using is called the Razorpay. So we are going to integrate a Razor payment gateway API for this. And after the successful payment is done, it's going to redirect us to the success page. Now, if we go back to the orders, you'll be able to view all the orders that he ordered. You can go back to shopping or go back and view all the orders. So this was the customer's point of view. Now let's go and log in as an admin. So admin has access to creating the products and setting the price and stuff. So this is the admin's point of view. So obviously the admin's orders page will be a bit different. So he can mark his, for example, okay, this person has 2 products. He'll be able to view the details. Okay, go back to orders. Okay, he said, okay, this person's order has been delivered, so I'll mark it as delivered. Okay, so this order number 2, this person's order is delivered, so I'll mark it as delivered. So if you come here and click on the smart deliveries, he'll be able to see all the deliveries which is delivered. So he'll be able to view this and obviously undeliver it if by mistakenly if we mark as delivered. So this is the admin's point of view, and also you can create the product, and and this address is given to all the users also, customers I mean. So yep, I think that is it, and we are going to implement this using the Turbo Hotwire using Rails 7.